Hi Paddocks Press readers. As a course instructor here at Paddocks, one of the most common misconceptions I often come across in marking students' assignments is the belief that the members of the body corporate need to approve the appointment of a managing agent. So I thought I'd take a minute or two to discuss the type of authorization required to appoint a managing agent. Prescribed Management Rule 28.5 states that the body corporate may, if trustees so resolve, and must, if required by a registered mortgagee of 25% in number of the primary sections, or a resolution of the members, appoint a managing agent to perform specified financial, secretarial, administrative, or other management services under the supervision of the trustees. This rule gives trustees the power to appoint a managing agent after passing a trustee resolution authorizing the appointment. It says the trustees may appoint a managing agent. For some reason, many people skip that first part of the rule and go straight to the "and must if required by the members or mortgagees" part. In addition, many people seem to get confused between this requirement to pass a trustee resolution to authorize the appointment and the requirement to pass a special resolution to authorize the appointment of an executive managing agent in terms of Prescribed Management Rule 28.1. It is important to remain mindful of the fact that the appointment of either an ordinary or an executive managing agent requires the passing of a written trustee resolution in any event, as Prescribed Management Rule 21.3e requires a written trustee resolution to be passed in order for the body corporate to enter into contracts with third parties. So there you have it. Ordinary managing agents can be appointed following the passing of a simple trustee resolution in writing, while executive managing agents may only be appointed after both a special resolution and a subsequent written trustee resolution has been passed. Until next time, goodbye.